What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Senorita by Shawn Mendes and Camila Cabello. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and if you do, click that notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial, or else I will gut check you with a hockey stick. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other free shit, so stick around to the end of the video. I'll get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Now, before any of you tell me that this is not the exact way that you play this song, this is a beginner channel, so I'm gonna need you to get all the way up off my back about it. You're in standard tuning and you're using a few different chords. If you need the chord diagrams, they're going to be in a free ebook in the description below called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's 100% free. It's a great resource for all of you guitar players out there. It's got all the major chord diagrams in it, so jump into the description once you get done with the video and pick up your free ebook. You're starting out with an A minor chord. It's going to be 002210. Then you're going to go to this version of like a C major 7. It's just 032000. Then this version of like an F or F major 7, you're going 1332110. Then you're going to go E minor 022000. And then finally G 320003. Those chords repeat throughout the entire song, so once you get them down, all you need is your strumming pattern. It's going to be a simple down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, throughout all the chords. It looks like this. Down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And you're switching from that E minor to your G chord pretty quickly. You're switching on a down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So you're switching on to that G chord on that up strum right there on the final strumming pattern. So again, down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you got to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now, the way it's going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.